All right, folks, let's dive into Apple, which is as much a giant dinosaur in the tech jungle as it is a sleek, cutting-edge predator. In today's Tech News episode, Apple is the star in 3 fascinating pieces of news worthy of your attention. We've got some serious analysis, intriguing options trading, and even predictions of challenging times ahead. Buckle up because this is one juicy story. First up, Apple's performance in the technology, hardware, storage, and peripherals industry has been scrutinized, spotlighting its distinguished place amid competitive peers. Despite a slightly slower revenue growth compared to its peers, Apple still flexes with robust profitability metrics. It's like that student in class who scores an A in tests, but somehow never turns in their homework on time. On one hand, Apple's valuation ratios like price to earnings, price to book, and price to sales ratios indicate it might be cheaper when compared with similar companies, meaning some investors see potential growth at a discount. Perfect for those hunting for bargains in the stock market. However, there's more to this story. When we open Apple's financial Pandora's box, we find that Apple's return on equity and gross profits are impressive, defying critics like an avant-garde artist at an old-school gallery. Yet, Apple's screen lizard-like growth in revenue could be cause for investors to raise their strategic eyebrows. Such mixed signals create an intriguing chess game, where Apple's balance sheet casts the shadow of a giant, but whispers of challenges to innovate the iPhone echo through the hallways of Cupertino. Then, in the options market, a move worth dissecting. Apple's options alerts came with not-so-subtle signals from seasoned traders anticipating that the tech titan might dance in a price range of $220 to $250 per share in the next few months. The circle of stock gods have spoken, half-signal optimism with an equal yet complex lace of placid wariness. With the racket of puts and calls on the merch floor bearing almost $500,000, investors must analyze these numbers like a complex Sudoku puzzle to understand the market's speculated trajectories. Lastly, some clouds loom over Apple, accompanied by murmurs of potential stock turbulence. Apple's been riding high on the stormy pandemic winds, yet this year could pack challenges. iPhone sales appear to be more like stagnating mountain climbers than sprinters, and lurking legal drama threatens a sweet $20 billion from Google as it grapples with antitrust actions. Think of it as Apple bracing for a managerial astrological event, predicted uncertainties lingering into 2025, valuations creeping near a 40 PE ratio, while revenue growth feels the drag factor, coupled with the intimidating specter of rising bond yields, cast questions over its sustainably stratospheric value. Current stock pricing continues to sip champagne as if every growth forecast were a champagne coupe, but the real question on fretful investors' minds is whether gravity will finally pull down this tree's stretched branches. So there it is, Apple, navigating triumphant highs and foreseen market turbulence. Whether it remains a predatory leader on land and in water, or finds itself quivering in the bushes, really hinges on its adaptability and innovation prowess. That's it for today, as Apple's story continues to unfold in the finicky theater of technology. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.